Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be going over angles formed by parallel lines. And in this case, we're going to solve for x. So looking at our diagram, I want to look at what's the angle relationship between the two that we have listed. And in this case, they are alternate interior angles. They are alternate because they are on opposite sides of that transversal line, the line that cuts through the two parallel lines. And then they're interior because they're between the two parallel lines. So alternate interior angles are going to always be congruent when we have our parallel lines. Congruent means I can set those two equations equal to each other and solve for x. So we have 9x plus 12 equals 11x minus 2. We want to solve for x, so I'm going to subtract 9x from both sides. We are left with 12 equals 2x minus 2. Add 2 to both sides. And we are given 14x equals 2x. Divide by 2 on both sides, and we are given that 7 equals x as our final answer since it asked us to solve for x.
And I'm your sneaker teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.